Meaning of illocution.
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 Illocution. Illocution is a term in linguistics that refers to the intended meaning behind a speaker's utterance, as opposed to its literal or grammatical meaning. It involves analyzing the speech act's intended force and effect on the listener, such as persuading, commanding, promising, or apologizing. Illocutionary acts often require contextual cues, including shared knowledge between the speaker and listener, to be successfully interpreted and acted upon. Understanding illocution is important in communication as it allows for a more nuanced understanding of social interactions and can help avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications.